Thank you to our Rwandan customer for purchasing our EA640F2 indoor LED screen, totaling 54 pieces. We are delighted to provide you with high-quality display solutions and look forward to this batch of equipment adding brilliance to your project. EA640F2 LED display screen has won the favor of many customers with its excellent visual effects and advanced design. This display screen adopts a front maintenance design, allowing for maintenance and replacement of the LED module, power supply, and receiving card from the front. The pre-maintenance design not only greatly simplifies the installation and maintenance process, but also significantly saves time and labor costs, making it an ideal choice for indoor fixed installation. Thank you again to our Rwandan customers for their trust and support in our EA640F2 LED display screen. We believe that this high-performance display screen will bring excellent visual experience to your project and enhance the overall effect.